Hey, what's up, Chiliz holder? So, what's going on? I am very happy from Chiliz to see the Chiliz result. Chiliz gone jumping and those days. Therefore, I am very excited. This is very brand news. This is very brand video and very latest news. As you can see here, my all cryptocurrencies just goes down. Therefore, and I lost totally. Therefore, I'm very sad. But this time I see the Chalice changes and positive, so I'm very excited, I'm very happy, my brother. Today video is going to be very special, so let's get started this price prediction of Chalice. Today we decide also to sell or buy a Chalice. Okay, so this is very important video gone. I am very sad this time, but what I do, this video is going to be very important for my all brother, because I see this result, the changes absolutely and positive. I am very happy. Chalice holder, congratulations, Chalice starting jumping and this day. Okay, the last 24 hours, if you can see, I gonna show you the three chart and then we decide to sell or buy or hold. Okay, my brother, so let's get started this brand video. But before I get started this brand video, I request you, my brother, please subscribe this channel. Please subscribe and complete my 3,000 subscribe. I hope you do it. Please subscribe. Okay, thank you so much, brother. Let's get started this brand video. Brother, if you check out this time, they go totally straight and they cannot take a big dump. But sometime, if you can see here, they totally goes down. But again, when they take a big jump, then I'm very happy. And I decide to make a video. Okay, brother, so this time, if you can see here, they're taking jumping absolutely very fastly. They gone and also everybody know this challenge is very fast. This cryptocurrency, if you can see here, the change is positive plus 4.93%. Then gone up. This is small change, but I am very happy to that. Just in positive, then I'm very happy. I hope at the mid of month they give us a very good result. Remember, brother, remember this latest price is 0.4886 US dollar. Remember this price. Okay, this is very important for the decision of at the end which we do. Okay, so this time I'm going to show you the last 3 days chart. Okay, the last 3 days chart is almost very important from this decision to which we finding. Okay, we check out the last 3 days, the Chalice is also goes down and the last 3 days. Therefore I'm totally very sad. They all cryptocurrencies broke my heart, or they broke my heart. I'm totally and lost my 5 cryptocurrencies. My five cryptocurrencies goes down. So therefore, and I'm very sad. My mind is stopped working. Okay, brothers. So if you can see here, this time minus 2.29% they gone down. This is very small. I'm very happy from Chalice because Chalice is very fastest cryptocurrency and today's latest result is good. Therefore I'm very happy. If you can see here, they just and last one day they take a good dump. Okay, so therefore last 24-hour result is good from Chalice. So let's check out the last 1 hour result. Okay, the last 1 hour result, the latest. Oh my goodness, absolutely I am very happy when I see this result. Absolutely I'm happy. You can see here the chart result absolutely gone up and the changes is in positive 2.1%. they're going up. Absolutely this is very small, but I am happy to this is just an positive. What you say, brother? This is good result. Absolutely this is good result, my brother. Oh, and you can see here that the change of price is 0.462 US dollar. So congratulations, my brother. I hope in upcoming days the price is going in 1 US dollar. And if they change in 1 US dollar, then make you a millionaire. They make you a millionaire. So please don't sell it. You cannot decide this to sell it. Okay, because this is not a selling time. Chalice is starting jumping. Chalice is starting moving very fastly off. Okay, so please don't sell it. If you have any plan to buy more, then absolutely I think this is good time to you just buy more. Okay, I am going to buy more 100 Chalice coin because my all cryptocurrencies just goes down, and one of the Chalice I want to make more money from Chalice. Okay, so hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a good profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.